Welcome to activity 35. This is the first of the 2 subtraction activities. You can complete this activity for a whole of either 6, 7, 8 or 9. Today I'm going to be using 7 as the whole. So I have got 2 of each block from 1 to 7 organised and built as a wall. Once you've done this, you need to keep the rows together, but we are going to rearrange the wall so as it's not in counting order. And you can place the rows in whichever order you like, as long as you keep the rows together. Once you have done that, we will be completing this section of the activity. And for this, we are going to be focusing on representing subtraction using whole take away the part equals the part. So I'll go first and we're just going to say it. 7 take away 3 equals 4. 7 take away 1 equals 6. 7 take away 7 equals 0. 7 take away 2 equals 5. 7 take away 5 equals 2. 7 take away 6 equals 1. And 7 take away 4 equals 3. Now that I've had my turn, I would return each block to the wall, and my partner sitting on this side will have their go. And today I have Karis with me.
Hello.
And she is going to repeat what I've just done using her side of the wall.
7 take away 4 equals 3. 7 take away 6 equals 1.
And I'll just pause, Karis, there. When it comes to the 7, we can either do 7 take away 7 equals 0. But I did that last time, so I also want to model that you can do 7 take away 0 equals 7. So we'll leave that and you keep going away to take away 5.
7 take away 5 equals 2. 7 take away 2 equals 5. 7 take away 1 equals 6. 7 take away 3 equals 4.
Excellent. Now we're going to go on to this next activity, which is very similar, but we're going to guess what each other took away. For this next section, Karis is going to close her eyes. Close your eyes. And I am going to subtract 1 block in each row. And I'm going to take them away and hide them so she can't see them. And then I'll say, open your eyes. Now you need to guess what I subtracted in each row.
7 take away 3 equals 4.
Well done. And the next one?
7 take away 1 equals 6.
Correct. And this one?
7 take away 7 equals 0.
It does. And we would continue. Once we have finished, the whole wall would be returned. I would close my eyes and Karis would take away, I'll close my eyes and you take away the blocks on the other side, 1 on each row. And the 7 you can choose to either do 0 or 7. And keep them in the same order, that's it, as you take them away. Good, and make sure you're hiding them under your hand and when you're ready.
Okay, open your eyes.
Okay, and then I would say 7 take away 4 equals 3 and 7 take away 6 equals 1, and we would complete that. When we're finished, we could build the wall again in counting order, swap the rows around so they're in a different order and play again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.